Well, let's try with blessing, oh. Let's groove tonight, in the rhythm of the beat.
Hey there, fellow skilled professionals. Ever dreamt of taking your expertise to Germany? Well, hold on to your hats because I've got exciting news for you. This year, Germany is rolling out the red carpet for skilled workers like never before, and it's all thanks to something called the Opportunity Card Germany. In the German language, Chancenkarte. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this opportunity card? How can it change your life? Think of it as your golden ticket to Germany. And it is a point-based assessment system akin to those fancy Australian work visas such as the 190 or 189. And guess what? That's why I'm here, giving you the lowdown ahead of time. I'm blessing your guide through this exciting journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Chat with Blessing O on YouTube, because together we can make this information go viral and help countless others like us. So what's the deal with the Opportunity Card? Well, it's a game changer for professionals from non-European Union countries itching to explore career opportunities in Germany. And here's the best part, you don't need a job offer in hand to apply. Let's talk perks. With the Opportunity Card, you could breeze through the entry process into Germany legally and swiftly. There's a shot at securing permanent residency down the line. You can rest easy knowing you'll have a decent income to support yourself. And perhaps the best of all, once your application sails through, you will snag that coveted work permit in a jiffy. Now on to the nitty-gritty. The points system, you'll need to rack up at least 6 points to qualify, and here's how you can earn them. First up, language skills. If you've got a basic grasp of German, let's say you have an A1, or English, that is a B2, plus a 2-year vocational training or a university degree recognized in your home country, you're off to a solid start. But wait, there's more. You can earn points for professional experience, age, ties to Germany. Here's the breakdown. 4 points if your foreign professional qualification gets partial recognition, or if you're authorized to practice in a regulated field. Think teachers, nurses, engineers, the cream of the crop, And you can earn 3 points for every year of professional experience in the past 7 years, plus the preceding 2 years of training in your home country's standards. Alternatively, you could nab 3 points for decent German skills at level B1. 2 points each for 2 years of professional experience after vocational training in German proficiency. Add another 2 points. 1 point for being under 40 years old and having spent at least 6 months in Germany before. Yep, you'll need proof. Tourist visas or visits don't count though. And finally, 1 point for excellent English skills in C1. Fair grasp of German at A2 if your degree is in an area where Germany needs more hands, or if you're applying alongside your spouse. So there you have it, your roadmap to Germany with the Opportunity Card. It's time to seize the moment, chase those dreams, and embark on an adventure unlike any other. Ready to make your mark? Let's do this. I have made a simulation from the website Assess Eligibility. And if you want it sent directly to you, just comment yes please in the comment section and it will be sent to you directly. Now, open your browser and type in the official website and click enter to move through the steps as follows. Click on the start. Indicate your qualifications, for instance your university degree obtained. Select years of professional experiences. Then select your discipline. For instance, natural science, mathematics, engineering. Select yours. Then select your country. Mine is Nigeria, for instance. Then select your language ability, your German language ability. How well do you speak German? You could say not at all. For instance, that's what I used in my simulation. select select your English language ability. Let's say you're at C1, business fluent or better. Then click next. Impute your age or simulated age. I just imputed 39. Then whether you have stayed in Germany for more than 6 months, you enter it. I said no, just for simulation purposes. Then step 10, then you move on to spouse's information. If you have a spouse, you say no, and if not, say no. Then fund availability, you could say yes, for instance. Then you move on to, because you need to have sufficient financial means to secure your livelihood, at least approximately 11,200 euros per person. So you say yes. Put in your email address in the next section. That will ensure that you get your results back after the check. And afterwards, based on the inputs you have filled in, and just like I did mine as shared, you can see that I qualify even with 39 years of age that I have put in. Give it a try and get ready to apply in June when the opportunity card commences in full. To recap, discover your pathway to Germany's thriving opportunities with the opportunity card. This designed for skilled professionals. This innovative visa offers a streamlined entry process, paving the way for a fulfilling career in a dynamic European landscape. Say goodbye to the hassles of securing a job offer. The opportunity card welcomes you to explore without constraints, with perks like the possibility of permanent residency and swift work permits. It's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, seize this chance to elevate your career. Join the countdown to June 2024 and embark on your journey to success with the Opportunity Card Germany. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chat with Blessino, to make this video go viral. See you in my next one. Thank you.
Well, let's chat with Blessino. Let's groove tonight in the rhythm of the beat.